Today on Whitlock Garage, the blue 70 stepper is going for rust repair. All right guys, welcome to Whitlock Garage. As you can see, we got the 70 stepper loaded up on the trailer. We're actually taking it up to Knoxville to get the rust repair done. We got our buddy Rusbuilt up there who is really good at rust repair, but also really good at patina paint blending. So that's the real reason we're going up. He's a great guy. We're gonna give him some business. We've got some more trucks that we wanna take up to him, but today we're taking the blue 70 stepper. This, as you know, this is John's truck, so it's something that's sentimental to him. He actually chased this truck for 25 years as it sat under a tree, just really trying to rust away, honestly. But as you can see, still wears its original paint. It's a short bed, stepside 70 stepper, and we're really excited to get to work on it. We're gonna LS swap it. We've got some other plans in the future that I think will make it better. So y'all stay tuned and we'll show you what we're working with. All right, guys, we've made it to Knoxville, to Rusbuilt. I'll show you what we're working with here in just a minute. So we made it up to Knoxville. Truck looks like it did great. We're up here at Rusbuilt Street Rods in Knoxville. As I mentioned before, Russell Cunningham is a good guy, good friend, and we're looking forward to making this truck a little more rust-free with some patina paint blending. So while we're waiting on Russ, here's a 67 CST long bed truck that we bought that we're going to be building. This is a fully loaded truck. Obviously you're not getting the best view since it's through the gate here, but fully loaded CST, buddy buckets, full trim truck. Was originally a 3-speed with overdrive truck, AC cab, all the good stuff. So we're gonna take this and make this a really cool truck. So you'll be seeing more of that build here soon. All right guys, so we're getting the truck backed in, dropping it off up here at Rusbuilt.
You're good, come on back. That's good right there, ho, ho.
Came off a trailer pretty easily. Also got a little C10 Club Tennessee representing. Shout out to Brian Ashley.
Yeah. So, you know, I've got 250 glove box doors, and there's
a small taste right there.
Different variations, colors, and they've got, you know, some of them have the badging on them and whatnot. Yeah. But my intent is to, I'm going to make a wall of glove box doors in my shop.
Yeah.
And every time somebody comes and has work done, I'm going to let them autograph a spot on a glove box door, just write what we worked on, you know. And so eventually it'll be a wall of glove box doors with signatures all over.
Man, that's cool.
Just the people that we've been able to build relationships with over the years. So that's kind of my
that's
goal.
Cool, man. That's super
now
cool.
I'm still collecting glove boxes.
Well, tell us a little bit about what you're doing here at Rusbuilt. We know why we're here, and a lot of people have been following what we've been up to on our YouTube channel.
So here at Rusbuilt, we specialize in classic trucks. We build a lot of trucks. It really doesn't matter the age or the era or whatever. You know, we've done 4 or 5 60, 66 trucks.
Yeah.
We do a lot of drop kits and suspension modifications, air ride, rust repair.
Which is why we're here.
Patina blending, you know, we get to do a lot of that stuff. We've done a couple of Impalas and Camaro. So we do a lot of LS work too. You know, there's an avalanche out here right now, and for some active fuel management, lifters, and things of that nature. We just like to build old stuff. We like to make stuff look period correct, just on the ground, with maybe a little more power and a lot of details. That's kind of what we're after. So, and we do whatever we can to fit our client's budget. And we're not the fastest guys, but you know, I got a good group of guys here,
and some awesome kids.
And some awesome kids
who like spending time at the shop.
We just get in here and get busy and try and turn out some cool stuff.
That's awesome. Well, that's exactly why we're here. We have brought John 70 stepside up here to get some rust repair, some patina paint blending. He wants to be on camera so bad he can't stand it. That's Russ's little boy. But anyway, we're gonna get out of Russ's hair, let him do his thing, and we'll check back in with you soon. Made it back to the truck farm. Been a long day, as you've seen. We've been to Knoxville, Tennessee this morning to drop off the 70 stepper for rust repair and patina blend. And then now back in Georgia, back at the truck farm. So thanks for tuning in to Whitlock Garage today. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Also consider smashing the like button under the screen there. It's that little thumbs up. You can also subscribe by clicking the United by Trucks icon right there on the right-hand side of the screen. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about the video. Also, before we forget, special thanks to Rusbuilt for allowing us to bring the truck up on a Saturday, for giving us these sweet hats. We really appreciate all he's doing for the truck scene, particularly the C10 truck scene. Just really appreciate all he's doing. We'll talk to you soon.